Apple has just unveiled the new AirPods 4, replacing the older AirPods 2 and AirPods 3 models. With this release, the AirPods 4 now serve as the entry-level wireless earbuds in Apple's lineup. Interestingly, there are two versions of the AirPods 4, one without noise cancellation and another that features active noise canceling. We've long hoped that Apple's more affordable earbuds would narrow the gap in terms of features, design, and sound quality compared to the AirPods Pro 2. While the AirPods 4 share much of the same core functionality, especially in their seamless integration with iOS devices, there are significant differences between them and the AirPods Pro 2. Here's how they stack up against each other. The most significant distinction between the AirPods 4 and the AirPods Pro 2 lies in the design and use of ear tips. The AirPods Pro 2 comes with interchangeable ear tips, featuring 4 sizes: extra small, small, medium, and large to ensure a customized fit. This adjustable design not only enhances comfort but also plays a vital role in improving sound quality, particularly bass response, as well as the effectiveness of active noise cancellation and noise isolation. On the other hand, the AirPods 4 sticks to the familiar ear tip-free design seen in previous generations. While Apple claims this design allows for a more universal fit, our experience has shown that it doesn't always work for everyone. To address these concerns, Apple has redesigned the AirPods 4, labeling them the most comfortable AirPods ever in the open-ear category. The company used advanced modeling tools, analyzed 50 million data points, and mapped thousands of ear shapes to refine the fit. Both models remain lightweight and come in a single white finish. The AirPods 4 features a force sensor on the stem for controlling playback and answering calls. In the AirPods Pro 2, this stem also allows you to switch between ANC and transparency modes with a long press. It's still unclear if the AirPods 4 with ANC will have this same control feature or if users will need to toggle between noise modes using an iPhone or iPad. Another difference is that the AirPods Pro 2 have a touch-sensitive layer on the stems, allowing users to swipe for volume adjustments directly on the earbuds. Unfortunately, this feature appears to be missing in the AirPods 4. Both models now come with a USB-C charging case, replacing the older Lightning connector. The AirPods Pro 2's case includes a built-in speaker for audible alerts when charging or locating it through Find My, as well as a lanyard loop. Apple has made the AirPods 4's charging case 10% smaller than the previous model, calling it the smallest charging case yet. For the AirPods 4 with ANC, the charging case will include speakers and will be compatible with Qi-certified and Apple Watch wireless chargers, though it won't have a lanyard loop. The standard AirPods 4 model, however, will come with a more basic USB-C case, lacking these extra features. The AirPods Pro 2 was the first to introduce Apple's H2 chip, bringing notable enhancements in sound quality, noise cancellation, battery life, and various features. They delivered a more powerful and seamless experience when paired with iOS devices. Now, the AirPods 4 also come equipped with the H2 chip, offering many of the same flagship features, including personalized spatial audio with dynamic head tracking for both the standard and ANC models. In the AirPods Pro 2, noise cancellation is twice as effective as in the original Pro model, and based on the footnotes in Apple's comparison charts, it seems this superior ANC performance will still outshine the new AirPods 4 with ANC. Apple promises advanced computational audio for the AirPods 4 ANC model, and we're eager to see how well it performs without ear tips in an open-ear design. While Bose and Huawei have released open designs before, none of them have managed to offer ANC effectively. Being Apple's top-tier earbuds, the AirPods Pro 2 are expected to continue leading the way in noise cancellation. They effectively minimize surrounding noise, from deep rumbles to office chatter, and even sudden loud sounds, all while maintaining a comfortable fit. This is helped by redesigned acoustic vents that allow for better airflow, enhancing the overall listening experience. The AirPods 4 with ANC inherits some of the Pro 2's premium features, including transparency mode, adaptive audio, and conversation awareness. Adaptive audio adjusts noise cancellation levels based on your surroundings, while conversation awareness lowers the music volume when it detects you're talking, making it easier to chat or place an order. From our time with the Pro 2, these features worked impressively well, so their addition to the AirPods 4 lineup is a welcome upgrade. Both models benefit from improved call quality, thanks to voice isolation technology that reduces background noise for clearer calls. Users can also use gesture controls to interact with Siri's voice announcements, nodding for yes or shaking your head for no to accept or decline a call. These features should be available in both the AirPods 4 and Pro 2 after the iOS 18 update. In terms of battery life, both AirPods models offer 30 hours total with the charging case. However, the AirPods Pro 2 still has an advantage, delivering 6 hours of listening time on a single charge, while the AirPods 4 can only manage 5 hours. The AirPods 4 with ANC fare slightly worse, providing just 4 hours of listening time with noise cancellation active. Finally, both the Pro 2 and AirPods 4 models support Bluetooth 5.3, ensuring smooth connectivity. The AirPods Pro 2 were the first in-ear AirPods to truly impress us with their sound quality. Apple has always provided a well-balanced, neutral sound with clear, natural vocals and solid rhythmic performance. However, the AirPods Pro 2 took things to the next level. With new high-excursion, low-distortion drivers, custom amplifiers, and the advanced H2 chip, along with reposition vents, the Pro 2 delivered a more dynamic, punchy, and refined audio experience than ever before. The sound is incredibly open and detailed, with precise timing and smooth, engaging dynamics. The vocals are warm and natural, the bass is tight and powerful, and the tonal balance is superbly even. Overall, the listening experience is both exciting and immersive. In contrast, the standard AirPods have always offered a glimpse of this sound quality without quite excelling enough to become top contenders. With the new AirPods 4, Apple has introduced a new internal acoustic architecture, featuring a low-distortion driver and a high-dynamic amplifier to enhance performance. Paired with the powerful H2 chip, Apple promises the best-sounding AirPods ever in this open-ear design. That open-ear designation raises some interesting questions. Can they match the punch, depth, and solidity of the AirPods Pro 2, especially without ear tips to create a proper seal? Will the AirPods 4 with ANC sound noticeably different from the base model when noise cancellation is active? Originally launched in 2022, the Pro 2 saw an update in 2023 with a new USB-C charging case, replacing the old Lightning connector. The earbuds themselves and their performance remain unchanged, but Apple has announced upcoming health-related features like hearing protection, a hearing test, and a hearing aid function, which are set to arrive in 2024. The AirPods 4 are the most affordable option in Apple's headphone lineup. The base model without ANC is priced at $129, while the AirPods 4 with ANC will be available for $179. In comparison, the AirPods Pro 2 have a higher price point at $249, although they can often be found on sale for under $200. In short, the Apple AirPods Pro 2 remains our top recommendation for anyone seeking the best in-ear AirPods for sound quality, noise cancellation, design, and ease of use, provided you're willing to pay the premium price. The new AirPods 4 are a more budget-friendly option, but the addition of the AirPods 4 with ANC introduces an intriguing middle ground between the base model and the flagship Pro 2. If the AirPods 4 with ANC delivers impressive noise-canceling performance, they could pose a real challenge to the Pro 2.